Hey guys, so today I have a little surprise. I'm gonna show you guys how I changed my hair from this color, which is like a brownish, blackish color, to purple without dye. So let's get into it. So first, I have some hair wax. I have two different brands. So the first one is the Hideout brand. I've actually used this brand before to color my hair without dyeing it. And this one has a pink and a purple mix. Let me show you what it looks like in the inside. All right, so this is what the inside looks like. Okay. And then this other brand, it says hair paint wax, a splash of color, and this is just the purple one. I haven't used this brand before. As you can see, it's not open. So I actually want to try this one today and see how it goes. Oops, I am struggling to open this thing. All right, so I got this one open and this is what it looks like. And then what I realized off jump from the two different products, this one is like a deeper, richer purple than this one. All right, so I'm just gonna like take a little bit. Okay, it's not too sticky or tacky, which is good. Okay, and then let me get the other one. Just gonna take a little bit of this one with my other finger. Okay, so this one definitely feels a little bit, I don't know, a little bit more, I want to say softer. And the purple is definitely lighter. So I think because I want like a brighter purple, I am gonna go with this one. All right, and then also today, so my hair is pre-washed. I washed my hair 2 nights ago, and then I just let it air dry and I moisturized it and everything. And then usually with hair wax, it's better to do it on dry hair. That's why I didn't do it on wet hair. And then also I thought that it would just be easier if I just put the wax on my twist, and then once it dries, and then just take it out. So I'll show you guys how it looks after. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of wax, and then I'm just gonna lather the twist. I don't think it really matters how much you really put on there, but you just want to make sure you just get enough that the whole twist is covered. Or even if you don't do it this way and you just, you know, put it on your hair and then twist your hair, just make sure that everything is lathered. As you can see. Okay. I think I'm going to add a little bit more just to make sure I get in between each twist. And I also did it this way because like I wanted my hair to be a little stretched, so that way when I take it out, it will be a little bit longer, because my hair does shrivel a lot since I have 4C hair. I just want to get it all up in there. All right, so all the twists have been coated in purple. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna let it sit for about a couple of hours just to air dry before I take the twist all the way out. And you just wanna make sure that all the twists have purple. If you want, you can just go into the root and then just massage it down each twist. Just to make sure. I'm actually really excited because I've always wanted to have purple hair, but not permanently because of work more so. But yeah, we'll see how this turns out. Oh, forgot a twist. Okay, so a review real quick. One thing I do like about this wax is not as messy as the other ones I've tried in the past. And usually the way I've done it, I would have my hair like just stretched out, maybe an old twist out, excuse me, and then I would flat twist my hair or do individual twists like this as I'm like put the wax on as I'm twisting it. So I realized with this one it's quicker because it didn't take that long, maybe less than 5 minutes max, if that, just to put the wax on each individual twist. I probably have maybe 14, I want to say I have 14 twists in my hair right now. And yeah, there's wax on each one. And it doesn't feel sticky at all. So I'm actually really excited to see how this turns out. And yeah, so I will be back in a couple of hours to show y'all the end result. Wish me luck. Thanks. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give an FYI for my video. This is like the most frustrating thing, but you know, user error. I did not wipe off my camera lens when I started to record the second half of my video when I was like taking down my twist. So the video ended up being super blurry. And when I first noticed it, when I was editing, I was just like, oh my goodness, like, what am I gonna do now? And I'm just like, I was like going back and forth with myself if I should still post it or re-record it or what to do. And I just did not feel like recording it again. And I'm just like it's just too much. And like, you know, with everything going on this past weekend, I was rushing. So I guess that's why I didn't double check to see that there was no smudge on the lens, because I usually do check. That's like the first thing that I do before I press start or record or whatever. And yeah, so, you know, after talking to some of my friends and their encouragement, I'm like, okay, whatever, like I'm just gonna post it anyway and then just let y'all see what it is and what really happens like when you're recording videos sometimes if you're not careful or you're just not really paying attention or rushing. So this is a, you know, user error and like, you know, just a mistake that sometimes can happen when you're recording videos. So I guess I just wanted to show that to you guys and let you guys see what happened, and then also to still watch my video and see, you know, the end results, because the pictures I took can really show, you know, the end result and everything like that. And you can still see what I'm doing, but it's just super blurry and not clear at all. But hopefully you guys still like the video. And yeah, just look out for the pictures at the end so you can really see what it looks like. And then even in this video, you can basically see the purple. And this video that I'm recording today is 3 days in, so the purple is still there and it's still pretty bright, and I'm actually really loving it. That's another reason why I didn't want to have to re-record it and push the video back. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Hey guys, so today is another day. I got carried away with everything I was doing yesterday, so I just decided to just start afresh, new day. And then actually today I exercised, I did errands, I did a whole bunch of stuff today, and I left the twist in, and surprisingly it is still bright, and it didn't really transfer too much onto anything, like especially when I was exercising, which is really great. And when I do touch it, if I squeeze it, a little bit of color does come off, but not really that much. And there wasn't really that much residue on my clothes or anywhere else, which I really did like. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just take these twists out and just see how they turned out. I'm actually really excited, especially with this bright purple. Okay, just gonna unravel. All right, so I had to slow this video all the way down for you guys. Like, I was just like, wow, my twists are really popping. Like, it was looking really nice. I wish this video was like clear so you guys can really see the bounce back, the springiness of this twist, the color, everything. But yeah, just take my word, twists were popping. All right, so I took out all the twists, and so the next thing that I'm gonna do is just separate the twist little by little, just to have a little bit more definition and just bigger hair. You want to just clip your hair out the way. It'll just make it so much easier. All right, so my hair is a little damp. I don't know if it's from like working out, because I do sweat in my scalp, or if it's just like the product, because it was twisted and then some parts in between might have not already dried. And then I do like so far that it was just so much easier to do because my hair was already pre-twisted. right. So I actually really love it. And I've always wanted to do purple hair without actually having to dye my hair. And this is like the residue that's on my hand. And then I don't know if you guys can really see, like, the only thing is when taking out the twist, it did get all over me. So if you are going to do this, I would just say, you know, wear something that you wouldn't mind getting like all this residue on you. Or if you're gonna go out, just wear something and then just change. But other than that, I love the color. Very bright. I'm just gonna like use my Y2 comb. And I actually really like that I did big twist first and then put the product on. I think it just saved time versus, you know, twisting it and putting the product on, which some people might feel like it's faster, but I just like the end result because my hair was able to dry first when I moisturized my hair after I washed it, and then I added the product, which is amazing. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching.